Yes, my people, welcome back to another adventure, guys. Yeah, man, a different side of the adventure. So today, we're at a construction site, guys, where we come today to cook some lunch for the worker them, guys. They invite me on this site, guys, to prepare some lunch for them. So today, as you can see, I'm soon see what I go on. Them run at the back. I do some work. Them both do some casting. Yeah, them cast a foundation. But them go mix concrete and then pour it on the ground and set it, level it. So them can have it to lay the blocks people. So what I've done. So in due time I'm going to see what I go on my people, you know. So yes, my people. Alright, what happened now is that you see me make the intro talking about the cook on the construction side. Eventually my people me leave from that location. I head up in my village, go cook some food with my friends them and thing, my people. I tell you what go on. I did them. So I start catch some clips around. But one of the youth them did the guys. All of a sudden I don't know what go on, me only see the G get dark, my people, and start so who fi go up under them mother from who know for this. Because what happened when I bring them did it, which is my cousin, him have a radio did that play, guys. So I just ask him kindly to turn off the music for a bit for me get some clip, guys. Because I don't want the copyright, my people, you know. You know that's something they go, yeah. So after the G goes up and turn off the radio, that's when the little altercation start, my people. Me see G just start send up who send up on a mother like me say. And I say, boy, you know why no video we ain't go. Pagan just follow him up, son. So me just do what me have to do, my people, and just leave from the location, my people. So we just are going out the village now. So we get all some rice there. We are going to do one thing, my people. Cause you know it's like me see this coming. Yeah man, it's like me see it coming, guys. So we just are going to do the right thing, my people. All the G should have said, and as somebody who know me, you know, my people, all him should have said, I just say, yo, Turbo, I don't want to be a part of the video. Simple. I will just know if we work around that. If somebody said them don't want to be in a video, we can't put them in them people. But you got disrespect a one of a simple thing. As what him say I don't see him say. But not the dunce where Jamal talk about, you know, him a dunce. That means him a show say when him a go to school, him a back of the class, under the bench. Him did there. You see me? Yeah man, cause when you hear Jamal them talk about dunce, me bro, another head dunce say bro. But you are dunce bat, you are dopey bat. You see it. So me just leave from the location. I one thing me do I show my brethren them. Finger pan lip, that's some I think them my father. You see me? Me not chasing with no waste man, bro. I have millions to make for me youth. I'm first my son did it. So I could have go get an altercation with nobody in front of my son, bro. What example me I set for my son? You see me? You just walk away when you can. Bro, you know that strong, bro. If you draw me in a year dunceness, brother. Big up Jamal. Jamal dunce, man. Them man that the dunce. You know listen to all I man them all a Jamal song. You see how intelligent the man be, bro. So alright my people, drop on my location in my village and we are going to kick off a style my people. You see we have barracuda, you see showing the rice because we have some chicken over here, we have curry same way. Yeah man, so fire did I just see, so we are going to cook some rice and peas and some curry barracuda here my people. Yeah man, we just have all advise my people in the community. As I see, as I say nothing stressful, we don't make nothing stressful with people, you know. Yeah man.
No, you don't talk to you, yeah man. If you want a piece of land, and you sign a piece of land, you have to go sit there. You mean? The owner is sit there and there. No, the owner is here. The land. Look at it. The way can't go further. 45 people.
One pattern. My boy do Nick.
Me have to curry my leg.
Son of
Turbo. 8K
Give me the first man.
Where? Yeah, man, go dig here, man. Go dig here. In turbo. Full up like with season.
You know, so I feel like I should go on my boy the back.
The blood flash shot.
Ah!
Oh my God, shot. You're sweating. So what going on?
People get no food. Food, we say, you know.
Wait, no, man. Make it patat, man.
Go on. I don't look like me that throw in high.
Trial in there. Throw more in there.
One you should have used.
One.
One.
You know one more one and you throw in excess pan yes.
Straight white today.
But for one that's
Spoon there.
Ras with the Ras next time I grow my Ras.
Throw that in there.
2 years.
What two more sides. Two more sides. Two in another two.
Alright.
Come down here and they cut here. Yeah.
Yeah, show the board and that. If you want your...
No, only let us get the cup and take out the water. Now we really can't get that man from here. And you come like some blood clot.
Yeah man, curry barra head. Man, rice pot, you so many people.
You know, go to everybody in the everybody want rice. I gotta go give a fuck.
Yeah man, curry chicken here so.
Junk, what a bat.
Yo lassie!
Junkie.
Why the rum? When the rum start talking to me people, boy, I don't want normal sit. Watch him.